2025, baby, and it's time to get it. Back out here, 5 years, 7 mowers, and we still grinding, trying to get it in. What up, it's your boy Boneyard Lawn Service, and we about to get into it today. I give a rundown of all the equipment I've accumulated over these 5 years and why this video is called, I think it's time to hire, because it really is time to hire now. So let's get into it. All right, this right here is still the first, man, that I started with. See, it's got it right, 589 hours. This is the mower I first started with, 48 inch. Got a quick shoot on it, block everything, keep that grass from spitting, getting it in. And this has been my mower, man. This has got me to where I've gotten at. This is what I started with right here. So the first 48 inch, it's not a brand new mower, but the thing is gonna get the job done. Everything 21 inch Kawasaki's on all the mowers right here. So the next mower we'll go to will be the Toro, the Z-Master. This was my second mower I grabbed right here. Still good to go. If we turn it around, it's right under 500 hours still, 52 inch. This one has a 19 inch Kawasaki, so this is what we call your backup mower. This is my last backup mower right here this year. The first will be in the starting lineup. It's a 48 inch, and it pretty much gets into all the gates I need here where I'm at. So that's the first, and which is down there. And here's the Toro, the Z-Master. So 52 inch Z-Master. Let's get into the next one. Next mower we got here is the Snapper Pro, which is my 61 inch that I've been rocking with for years now. Got the advanced shoot system on it from Ballard. No block on that one. I just took the block off that one because usually I'm doing overgrown with the Toro. So it's right here, 61 inch, like I said, Kawasaki engine, and it is 24 horsepower. That's 19, like I said. We got 21 over there, and this is the Snapper Pro, man. So Snapper Pro's been with me for a while now, and 61 inch. Next to the Snapper, we got the YAKA. This is my new mower. This is the one that'll be out with me this season. 61 inch deck right here. So when I got my big acreage properties, I'll be running both of those 61s. Plan on hiring this year, like I said. We'll be running both of those and getting them in, and making the jobs way more quicker. The YAKA is brand new, as you can see. I just can't wait to run it this year, man. See what it's like. I think there ain't too many guys who have this mower. I will be one of them. 27 horsepower Kawasaki on it. 21, 27, 24, 19. So those are the zero-turn mowers that we will be running this season. We got the 48 inch first, and the YAKA, which will be on the mower together, on the trailer together. After that, Snapper, 61 inch, then 52 inch Z-Master as a backup. Now let's get into the push mower lineup. Push mower lineup, we got 2 battery mowers. We got the Senix 21 inch, we got the Kress 21 inch, and we got the Honda Old Faithful 21 inch Honda push mower. And the Honda's what I started with, man. Started off with the Honda. We got the, the controls, got you where you can self-propel with it. And gas, you know what it is with the Honda 21 inch. This thing's a beast. Now we go to the Kress, and what I like about the Kress is built just as tough as the Honda. So this year I will be rocking the Kress as my push mower. Honda's backup. Senix will be next. And it's just because the Kress got the commercial, it's got the battery with it, won't have to worry about no gas. I've been trying it, and I really like it. Now what I will say about that Senix is the Senix has mulching blades and also high lift mulching blades on it that came with the mower. So you can't beat it. So these are my 3 push mowers right here. We got the battery Senix 21 inch, the Kress 21 inch, the Honda 21 inch gas mower. Now let's get into the hand tools. Hand tools. We'll start off with the RedMaxes. So this right here is my RedMax trimmer. I probably should have got a light for you guys. My RedMax trimmer. Let's see if we get some more light in here real quick. Sorry about that. All right, so my RedMax trimmer, my RedMax combi unit. You can see I got my edger right there for it. The RedMax combi. And all right, sorry about that. I had a phone call, but back to the RedMax combi, which you can see I got the Darwin on it, and I could pretty much take this off, put the edger on it. As you can see right there, it got the small head on that one, speed feed, big head. I'm probably gonna go back with another big head one on that one. So it's the RedMax. Next, we got a Toro battery trimmer. One thing I don't like about the Toro trimmer is it's a great trimmer. The head spins in the opposite direction, so it makes it a little difficult. Here's the Senix battery trimmer. Yeah, I'll use the Senix battery trimmer, but the one thing about the Senix battery trimmer is, to me, the head on it's just a little fat, so it's not kind of what we used to when it comes to the speed feed head. So it's a little fatter, so it makes it a little difficult to where instead of trimming flat, I have to angle a little bit, and I end up digging a little bit. So, but one thing I will be excited to use is the Kress this year. Got the Kress edger right here, Kress trimmer. See, I've already been using. Got the Darwin grips on it, ready to go. And those are my trimmers right there and my edgers. Now let's get into the hedgers. All right, so here go my hedge trimmers, guys. Now, these I have been loving. These are the Senix hedge trimmers. One thing I like about them, if you can notice, with the Toro, the Senix has a little more length on it, so you get more cut with it. I've been loving this trimmer right here. I mean, yeah, these hedges right here. Love these hedge trimmers. These are the Toros. Got a couple pair of those, and they have been awesome. These are what made me a believer in battery hedge trimmers. These right here made me a believer in battery hedge trimmers. They hold the battery. You can do the job with them. So those are my short hedge trimmers. Now here go my tall ones. Got the RedMax gas right here, hedge trimmer, as you can see, and that's the Toro combi unit hedge trimmer right here. So I'll show you the combi unit in a second. And here goes the Kress hedge trimmers. So all my hedge trimmers. Like I say, it's time to hire, guys. Everybody could be doing bushes, man, with a crew out there. Got enough of it. This is my sprayer right here. My DeWalt battery sprayer. Love it. Game changing. I do not charge the spray. This thing right here is a game changer, guys. I'm telling you. 4-gallon sprayer, no pump action. All you doing is walking and spraying. Yeah, if you already got some DeWalt batteries, this is highly recommended from me. I would grab it if I was you. So that's my sprayer. Here's my chainsaws. So we got the mini Senix right here. Get all your crepe myrtles and everything with that, 5-inch. Then we got the mini Zorro saw. It's a little bit longer than that 5-inch. Thing is nice, held with one hand, and I'm gonna talk about, guys, I've been making money with these Senix right here, these right here, and this is my other chainsaw right here, which this one right here has the nano bar nano chain on it. It's a 16-inch, so pretty much able to get all my small tree jobs with my trimmers. I mean, with my chainsaws, and what the chainsaws can't get and I can't reach, we'll go over to the pole saw section. So my pole saw section, this right here has been my game winner right here. The Senix battery pole saw, and this thing extends like crazy. It's been my go-to. Here's my other Senix gas. It's a 4 cycle. You don't have to mix pole saw. See, it extends right there. You can plug it in, extend it up. Don't have to mix anything with it. And these Senix products, as far as the, like I say, cutting trees and stuff, they've been working just fine for me. So my other two pole saws, which is batteries, guys. You notice there's a lot of battery pole saw stuff with me. They work. They have been working for the jobs I need. So this is Toro. It's a Toro pole saw right here. Both of them. One of them a little smaller than the other. So it's time to hire. I got enough equipment, guys, to have guys on the crew and we can run it. Now let's go to the backpack blowers. I did a video not too long ago. Got the Husqvarna BT 150, the small one. Got the Cenix 4-cycle. RedMax EBZ 550, 8560. And then we got the Kress backpack blower. Also, we got one of my main men I forgot to put down here, which is the Cenix handheld blower, which I had this season and I loved it. I didn't use the backpack blowers at all for real. This was out of the truck 80% of the time. So yeah, that's what I was running with. So it's all my blowers right here, guys. I'll probably be running with this year. Still have this with me. These will be fall action. So those are all my blowers. We're almost done. We're gonna get into the snow equipment. Here's my Cenix snow blower right here. Also my Cenix snow shovel. So got these guys. Small residential, can't do nothing major with it, but I can do small residential sidewalks and driveways and get paid and offer service with it, guys. Okay, these are my wheelbarrows. Need to do some mulch. One wheelbarrow right here, one right here. Got this one right here. And I'm gonna start using this one to mix concrete for when I start getting fence jobs. I'll be getting a couple fence jobs here and there, and we'll use that one to mix concrete. We'll use these for mulch, tarps everywhere. So guys, that is the garage setup, Boneyard Lawn Service 2025. And been blessed, man, out here grinding, out here trying to get it. And now it's time to hire. You got all this equipment, you got all this stuff. It needs to be making money. It don't need to be sitting here collecting dust. It needs to be making money. If I can grab another truck, another trailer, I can grab enough clients. Guys, it's time to run a business. Everything's paid off. It's time to run a business now. So, been a long time coming. 5 years. That's what old Boneyard's been able to accumulate. And same what really Boneyard's been able to accumulate. It's what God has blessed me with through just faith, determination, not giving up, and having my end in mind when I first started. You don't get here overnight. None of this was by accident. All of this was designed to be exactly what it is right now, guys. So, get your plan, put it into action, purpose to keep you going, and one day you'll look up and you'll say, I'm 5 years in business. Catch you in the next video, man. Hope you enjoyed it. Anything you think I'm missing in the garage, man, let me know. And holler at you in the next one. Let's get ready for 2025 season to crush it. 2025, baby. And it's time to get it. Back out here. 5 years, 7 mowers. And we still grinding, trying to get it in.